Let's see this one. Actually, I want to see the practically. Okay, so that's what I just deployed in front of earphone. Okay, so let's move forward. If you don't have any questions, I just move this other things to deploy. Okay, you deployed, VNet and subnet, and you also deployed in a progress of SQL MI. Now let's move for SQL VM. Okay, that I'm going to do now. Just navigate to the portal. Okay, since it is taking time, meantime, I want to make setup to everything is okay. So it is left, 11 minutes. Okay, still showing. Now, what I'm going to do now? Okay, so just go to this virtual VM. Okay, so I will talk about this, SQL VM related thing. Okay, so there is a lot of business use cases that when we are going to utilize this one. Okay, so we have an extension session on this one as well. Okay, I'm just going to do now today just for default configuration of the VM. Since we don't have that much of time. mm, to deploy individual. Okay, just I'm going to do manually only. Okay, just go to this the same resource group. Okay, so SQL VM. Okay, so this is my VM. I'm just keeping of this west US only because of even you can use for other zone, other one also. Okay, there is no dependency, but if you want to map that um, VNet. Okay, if you want to map that VNet, you just go for the west US only. Okay, let me go for Minute-2. Okay, just it is a simple and straightforward. This is also just we need to give your user ID, password, and the names and all. Okay, so let me make it in a simple. So in a drop down list, you will get list of the templates here, predefined templates over here that we can able to avail. Okay, I'll go for developer edition for this at this moment. Okay, so just take this, simple and minimum configuration. Okay, so provide user ID and the password. Okay, so let's know this default only. If this one standard SSD. I'm sorry. We will discuss this one. What is standard SSD? HSD. We will have an extensive session discuss. Okay. Let's achieve this, net target diagram. Okay. Now, I'm just mapping this one. Okay, let's go for the subnet one. You guys is observed or not? Among these three subnets, okay, among these three subnets, one subnet is dedicatedly mapped. See here, the selected subnet is not supported to map this one. Only you have subnet 2 and the default one. Okay, so that's what I'm stressing here. For managed instance, the extra level of security option that going to achieve because of VNet and dedicated subnet which we are going to require. Okay, now I can go and use this one. Okay, so normally how many IPs we have? Around 24 in this one, 256 IPs we have. So complete 256 IPs it is got reserved. It is not releasing. But now here is here also 256 IPs we have, but it is going to allocate only one IP. Okay, in this one. Let's make this one. Okay. So public IP we required. Why? Because to connect this one. Okay, so that is the one thing. And see here the network security group you have. Okay, so the basic network security group it is going to create. Okay, so if you go for the advanced level, you will get yours network security group. If you remember or not, I created SQL NSG group. Okay, so that I can able to avail it here. Okay, existing network security group also I can able to map here. Okay, but what you need to do, you just need to have some port whitelisting here. Okay, port whitelisting here so that you can able to connect. Okay, so let me take this one none. There is no network security is not going to create. If you make the basic one, basic network security group, it is going to create. So here the port numbers, okay, so we are getting only for 3389, or else if you can go and take and avail of this existing snippets. I'll take this one, okay. I'll show the what are the errors it is going to reflect, okay. So let's keep this one as is well. Let's move forward to this management option. Okay, so this is all our default only. Monitoring we haven't tested at this moment. We have upcoming sessions in the monitoring part. Advanced, let's keep this one as usual. Okay, so nothing to change. And go to the SQL Server settings. Okay, take here for the SQL authentication to enabling of this one, which is going to work the same ID as a SQL authentication. Here also I'm going to take minimal configuration. Tags and review. Okay, so the given information is good, and let's take this one, create. Let it deploy. Both are progress now. Okay, so one is SQL MI and the other one is SQL VM. And we could see this one. We're in the process of doing of for this one also. Let's test it. Okay, so how many errors will come? How when you're connecting the things? Okay, so we will see that. This is what exactly the enterprise level it is going to happen. Okay. Any questions now? You want to have any questions now?
So for this free trial SQL MI, do we have an option to deploy?
Yeah, we have the free trial, but whatever the option that we tested, okay, that it is not going to go. Let we do that option as well. Okay, good thing. Let me deploy that one also. Okay, so because of that is not going to cost anything me. Just allow me 1 minute. Huh? Yeah. Thanks for being in hold. Okay, let me do this option that what we have. Okay, so go to this manage instance. Okay, so Create this. But time is as usual, it is going to take. Okay, just apply this free preview. Okay, nothing.
Okay.
So if you see, as and when we are going to apply, it is zero cost. Okay, this here only they introduce. Okay, just SQL MI RG. See here, this is going to give by default. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can able to edit here. Okay, so only the regions eligible for this, visible. Okay, so let's see this free trial is, yeah, it is available now in East. It's not there. Okay, so we'll go for the Australia. Australia is available. Okay, so this is a free SQL MI, the series you have. Okay, so you can give your own name. Okay, CP US CP application and NPRD SQL MI hyphen 02. Yes, it is accepted. Go for a general purpose. Here it's the main important. Okay. It is asking you all are grayed out here. Okay. Only one thing it is going to ask you. Yeah. By default, how much it is going to give? 4 cores minimum. Okay. Maximum 8 cores and 64 it is going to give. Okay. So nothing to change here. Now scroll down. Here you are provide your, user ID password. And set your admin as well. Intra ID admin as well.
Okay.
You can try and test it. Okay, so nothing worry. But network level, we do have option to take it here. But you can see this network they're going to creating here. Okay, so even we have this. Let's see this one actually. We'll take West US. Okay, so West US to go to the networking option. Security networking option. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, so you'll get this, VNet ready, and this one also we have free trial one. It is going to utilize, and default one also we can able to utilize. Why it is showing? Because of in this VNet is already have the NSG group route tables and all. Okay, so let's take this one. We'll see. Okay, how this going to impact. It is in progress. I don't want to go make this mess up. Okay, let it create. Okay, so go to the security, additional settings. Let's move forward. Let's review. Okay, it is also going to take the 6 hours only. Let's take this security and review. Yeah. Yeah, this is the way we can able to deploy it. Again, it is going to take time. Okay, but the deployment process is same. Okay, so that's it.
Okay. And so whatever we did today, that how much estimation was shown? I missed it.
Cost?
No, showing 6 hours, right?
Yeah, 6 hours
Whatever.
on. Yeah, that is also 6 hours only. But hopefully it is going to complete within 2 hours. Why? Because we have a lot of experience on that to deploy it.
Oh,
It is deployed already. Let's see the status of this one. Yeah, it is in provisioning state. See here. Now the deployment is
hmm.
morning, right? So it is in provisioning state. We cannot able to access during this.
Okay. So in real time, this is one way deployment, and do we
Hmm.
use that scripting also?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So what we can able to do end of this, complete course, okay, we are going to do one project actually. Okay, what we are going to do, we will take, okay, within this resource group, whatever the things is available currently, okay, VM setup, storage setup, networking, SQL MI, we are going to deploy in a single sort of PowerShell Visual Studio Code. Yeah,
Okay.
for your question, only for the dedicatedly SQL, yes. DevOps team, what they are going to do, what is this, VM, it seems, yeah, VM only, right? Yeah, VM got deployed. Yeah, so, uh, yeah. So how it is going to happen in enterprise level, basically, uh, simple boss. POC we will do manually. Okay.
Mm.
We'll get a non-prod, NPRD. Non-prod, we will design a code. Okay. So let's see in the POC, you will get list of the services, right? Okay. One
Yes.
VM, okay, storage, okay. And we'll get, SQL, via my Azure SQL, okay, all the things related to that particular project, okay. You will get in a POC, you will test it and do the connectivity and all, right? So everything you are going to do. Now, this DevOps team, what they are going to do, they will make this as a script. Okay, they are going to push that code, either ML or PowerShell script, whatever they are familiar, they are going to do. But normally the best practice they are going to use for the ML script. Okay, for this each resources, what they will do, okay, will create one master batch. Okay, in the master batch, all the resources are related to one code, ML code. Okay, so what they will do, for the storage, we'll have one. Okay. SQL MI one code. Okay. And network one code. Okay. Subnet. Okay. Firewalls. Okay. So entire they're making one, Git repository code. Okay. In that code, hey boss, then it is managed instances got successful exchange. Okay. I think, yeah. See here how quickly we deployed this one. Okay. Uh,
How much time it took around?
yeah, we'll see that also. No, it is online now. See here, you can able to connect. Okay. So just, 15 minutes, not 15 minutes, 35 minutes it is got, deployed. Okay. Go to this activity. How much it is in? And hours, 19 minutes it is got taken. Whereas, 6 hours, normally if you're taking the higher configuration, let's take, storage 1 TB and all, it is going to take, max to max 2 hours. But in this case, how much time it is taking? 19 minutes, right?
Okay.
Okay. Before jump into this, I want to discuss, right? So I'm discussing this part actually, right? So they'll make one, GitHub repository code. Okay. They will do the deployment by using of the DevOps operation, by using of DevOps operation and DevOps and so Azure DevOps. Okay. So from here in a CD pipeline, CI continuous integration from Git and repository. They will download the code. Okay, boss. They will download the code, entire code, including branches wise. It is going to available here. Okay, no need to learn all this Jenkins and all. Okay, if you learn this at DevOps, you can deploy. CI, they're integrate. Now, CD. CD part, what we need to do? Deployment, continuous deployment. Okay, now tell me, we configured for this one non-prod environment all the code. Just simply they are going to do the CI/CD and what they will change for if they want to deploy in the production environment, they are going to change the only for the namings. Okay, password they are going to retrieve from the key vault repository. Everything they are going to make it. They are going to deploy the production. So this is the life cycle. The process of that we are going to do the in other methodology. So here also, what they will do, they're going to do the sequential order, right? First network they will do, and then storage they will do, then their VM they will do, then they'll go to SQL VM they're going to. So that they're going to take lesser time. So what are the things that we have? Go to the resource group. Here is my SQL MI. We have the list of the services that we deployed. Okay. We have the days, we have the SQL MI, SQL cluster. We will discuss tomorrow. This is very important cluster related. I'll discuss. Okay. Just try to understand the process, alternative deployment process. Okay. Now, in this one, what we are going to do? Okay. So let's go for a SQL MI. Okay. So go to this SQL MI managed instance. And let's try to connect for this one. Okay, so we cannot able to connect, right? We cannot able to connect from my local. Cannot able to connect from here because of we haven't enabled the public endpoint. Just give your ID and go to the SQL authentication, SQL admin, and password is this. Uh, right. So when I'm trying to do because of why I'm not able to connect? Anyone? Why am I unable to connect? I'm connecting my on-premises bus. Okay. I'm not able to connect. Why?
The IP is not registered.
Okay. So instead of IPs, we have to enable public endpoint. See, public endpoint, we need to take the connection thing is different, right? Copy this one, save this. Okay. You are right only, but instead of whitelisting, we are doing this enable option. In Azure SQL, you have that option to, whitelisting, but still I am not able to connect it. See here, still I cannot able to connect. So what is the issue? What you need to do? Boss, go to the NSC group and create this 3342 port number. Okay, 3342 port number with the priority of 11300. Go to this one. Okay, so instance, endpoint. Okay, here is my priority range. What is the priority here? See here, 13000. Okay, go to this one. Uh, let's see this one. Okay, so see here, I'm not able to connect it, right? Go to the portal, go to this VNet. Where is my VNet here? Uh, yeah, see here, the security group here, network security group. Go to the network security group and you will get settings. Here is my inbound port. Go to the add button and provide your port number. What is the priority that you are going to give here? 1300. Okay, add. Refresh. Go to the same button. Now try to connect, which is going to connect. This I did, last session only. Okay. But now my point is not this. Okay. So I want to connect within the cloud, right? As per diagram, what we are going to do within the cloud, I want to connect. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, no worry, that is going to connect. That's not an issue. Okay, so go to the home button, go to the virtual machine and see your virtual machine is running or not. Yes, it is running. Take this SQL VM. This is also we are going to face. I said, right? So we'll see this lot of issues need to encounter during the connectivity. Okay, that's what I want to show. What are the issues that you are going to come, how we are going to resolve it. Just connect it. Okay, go to this option and Christian connection. Select here. Okay, so it is saying that password failed. I'm giving password correct or not. 2024. 2024. SQL admin. I'm giving password wrong actually. Okay, so I forgot. Go to this instance. Okay, reset password. See here, you'll get reset password as well. Okay, at the rate 2023, at the rate 2024. Let's see this option. Okay, you just press enter, apply, get it deployed. Meantime, I'm just connecting. See, I'm unable to connecting boss VM also. I'm unable to connecting. Copy this password. Go to the connection settings. Networking option. It is enabled here. Copy this. Try to connect first on premises. Okay, let's wait some time. Okay, so because of the portal refreshment, other than that, nothing here. Meantime, what we are going to do? Okay, so we'll just go and see this. We enabled everything. Let's test it within the cloud as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? We just connected this VM, trying to connect it, but we are unable to connect. Right? We are unable to connect. So what is the issue? Is basically go to this VM. Uh, Go to this VM and see this network part actually. Okay, we have the SQL VM, VNet, and the subnet. Okay, so here is my subnet. Okay, we haven't added this network security group, right? So go to this network security group and use this network security group first. Save it. Okay. In the network security group, okay. So refresh. I could see this network security group. To connect the server, you require a port number, right? There is no RDP port. Okay, so what is the Windows VM RDP port? What is that? Add here.
3389.
Yes, 3389. That's it. Okay, so what we need to do? 3389 port we need to add. Okay, just save it. Okay, so one more port number that I want to add. I can add it sequentially. Just I'm showing this. Take this SQL MSF scale. By default, it is going to take the port number 1433. Just keep this, add here. Okay. And you do have the option to do this. One more port, 114. What is the port number? 3342. Double three not required here. Okay. So in cloud, it is not required. Let's see this option. Okay. Let's see this option. We'll try to do. Okay. I don't want to add this one at this moment. Let's keep this. If I'm exceed it, it is going to throw something like. Now let's connect the VM again. Okay, so where is that VM? Just connect, which is going to prompting me the user ID password. Okay, just SQL admin is my user ID and password I'm going to provide. It's like that. So VM I'm connecting now. Okay, so only the thing is the SQL. Okay, let's try this one once again. Hopefully it should connect. Hmm, home. Go to this SQL MI. Go to the network portion, networking, and just take this option of SQL authentication. And what is the password here? Oh, just keep on changing here.
Okay, login.
Sorry?
Oh, login name also we created with that name. Login
Yes,
SQL.
yeah, yes. Sorry, correct one. But this option. Somewhere password code resetted. Okay, password mismatch, it is happening. Let's see from here. Actually, I want to see this from cloud. SQL admin password. Okay, go to the VMs and try to connect one more time. Should I do? . EMs. Submit MSC in bold. Allowing any to 338. Yes, I have given confirm. Okay. It is changing this IP address. Yes, yes. Yeah. Just for enough portal discrepancy, other than that, nothing. We can connect it here. Okay, let's see this SQL MI as well. Okay, or else we can change this password and try to connect. Okay, so for the 334 is not required within the cloud. Okay, only for 1433 is a fair enough. Let's see this. But don't restart. Okay, if you are restarting, it is going to take a lot of time. Okay. So you can password I'm not giving properly. Yeah. Now it is connected. Okay. So on premises we connected, boss. Okay. Let's try in the cloud. See, I'm just connecting from here where on premises. Okay. See, I'm able to connect now. But this is not, right process of real time. We can create a logins, linked servers, cross for a database, DB email, whatever on-premises you are going to do, you can do it because of this is 99% 99 compatibility option. Let's try to connect from here. Okay, so go to the start button. We have already everything is got installed here, including the management studio and all. Expand here. This is we are going to connect from here. So if you can able to compare, okay, so you'll get this system databases.